The 10 piece is crazy.
I just knew I was gonna give one. I was gonna.
Wait, what?
Yeah, honey, the days have been trying. January has already been trying, and 2024 just started. Very much something.
Roll that shit up, Clay.
Awareness, accountability, and the solution.
Just copy the flex. They waiting on my new shit to drop. Where the fuck the toilet at? Sleeping on me crazy shit. Y'all thought I wasn't gon' double back. This life shit here amazing. I'm thanking God for where the fuck I'm at. Don't call if it ain't about the rats. I don't fuck with all that chitter chat.
Hey y'all, welcome back to the channel. It's TG for short, not the long way. I'm about to go ahead and get ready. I'm about to go to my homegirl Bree house. I just got out the shower. I did work today. I had got off at 2. Just got done eating, rolling my blunts. I want to do like a red little lip, but I ain't wear red in so long. And this kind of pigment. Trying to do the red lip, but it's the red lip here. Red lip just might not be doing it for me. Like, I don't know if I like the way color look on my lip. I'm gonna try to add the gloss and see, but if the gloss don't do it, I don't know. But okay, y'all, so yeah, I end up going without the red lip. Like, I just feel like the natural lip gonna eat every time. I was gonna do the red, but maybe it's the fit that's throwing it off. I don't know, because I'm wearing my little green cardigan over this. I meant my green shawl over this. So maybe it's the fit that's throwing it off. I don't know, but it's just really not giving what it needs to give. My little yellow undies on, trying to attract that, you know, wealth, abundance, what it is, what it ain't. About to leave at 8 o'clock. It's currently like 7 something right now. And then I'm gonna come back and just finish the New Year's off with my love and just write down some goals and just probably paint and shit and chill until 12 o'clock. But right now I'm about to go with my homegirls, take some shots. You know, I keep the hen dog with me. I am gonna take some shots on camera. So let's go ahead and do that. Take that first shot. Yes. I'm probably gonna vlog a little bit when I'm over there. If not, I'll see y'all after. I'll just probably get a few clips while I'm there, but I probably won't vlog the whole time or nothing while I'm there. Just because I want to enjoy and shit. But I get a little few clips, and then, yeah, just probably check back in, like, after I leave there.
The 10 piece is crazy.
I just knew I was gonna give one. I was gonna.
Wait, what? Oh, hold up. Look, now you gotta, because I thought I spilled something. Look, I'm like, hold up.
I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, TT, 2-turn baby girl, you know me, still with the dolls that I grew beside, all the niggas brown.
D&D, 5% all on Collins, treat me like I'm nothing but call me when I'm by.
Right at it, die. Gotta watch the time, cause it's flying right by. I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, TT, 2-turn baby girl, you know me.
You rap me integrity, fool. I'm a good man. Shake your hand, firm grip, rule 72. Trying to keep the balance, I'm staying strong. Stop playing with me before I turn to a song.
Who am I? All the niggas around me, right at it, die. Gotta watch the time, cause it's flying right by. 2-turn baby girl, you know me. I just caught a shorty off a Finsta. Just threw on a hoodie, it's a print shop. Way that I've been living unconventional. I'm just trying to make it to the end, you know. Certain things have started getting tenser. Think we need to have a sun adventure. I could be a man, but maybe down the road. Right now I would rather see my heart turn to chrome. Rather see my heart turn crystal. I can't even front like I don't miss ya. Right now I'm just stuck inside a crib on my own. Soon as I free up, I'm about to pop up on your phone. Like I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, PT, Two-turn, baby girl, you know me. Yeah, who am I? All the niggas round me, ride or die. Gotta watch the time, cause it's flying right by. Two-turn, baby girl, you know me. Yeah. Heart still on javelin, baby. Two-turn, baby girl, you know me. I was pulling off, but they knew me. Sometimes.
What's good? What's up? I just feel like I haven't, can't even get the words out what I'm trying to say. But I wanted to pop in on the ball because I haven't really been doing all that good with keeping up with vlogging and stuff. I will say that, like, it hasn't really been giving. And honey, the days have been trying. January has already been trying. 2024 just started. I've been calling January the 3 R's for me, just reflecting, releasing, and just refilling. And that, it just has been the vibe. This week, honestly, has kind of started off a little rocky, but I need to get back to picking myself up. I've been doing a lot of reflecting and wallowing in it and stuff. And I won't even really say that. I do feel like I have been releasing. Like this week, I definitely feel like I've been releasing a lot. But also, too, like, doing reflecting, like, I need to work on my composure. Like, I honestly just feel like this week, that's been really just my thing. Like, instead of suppressing, learning how to work on my composure while communicating, if that makes sense. In the midst of me reflecting, like, I'm realizing that, especially, like, just my composure, because it's like, it don't, like, I don't even want to say it don't have to be the way you handle things, but your composure is a part of the ways that you handle things. So it's like just being able to handle stuff better, like being that I'm in a space where I'm reflecting and releasing and just refilling. I want to be able to keep my composure. So doing so, breath work, doing more of my meditations, like stuff like that. So, and find different breath works for me. That's what I also need to do, like find a good breath exercise for me. Like, I do like the countdown method and just inhaling, exhaling, just, 3 good deep breaths to reset. So that's what I do plan on doing. But I did want to pop in because I felt like I have not been really doing a good job with being on the vlog. Very much something. Roll that shit up, Clay. Like, I want to take a nap, but it's like I do not really know if I want to take a nap. So 9 times out of 10, I'm looking in the mirror. I know, I mean, the looking in the mirror. Oh, and if y'all haven't realized, I changed the bulbs. Usually it's orange as fuck. Like, hopefully the exposure not too high on my camera. Like, what the hell? I got the daylight going on. No more orange. Ain't no more of the orange. Ain't no more of the Donald Trump vibes. Like, it's strictly given melanin glow. Like, what's tea? Yeah. Yeah, I think we're gonna do the living room. Let's be in the living room. I got my chakra music playing in the back, so I hope that's not really too loud, but let me just turn it down a little bit just in case. Keep it on 25. Okay, I feel like that's good because I still want to be able to hear it. Okay. I wanted to have a little session, smoke, chat. Because, I mean, this really be like I be chatting with myself, but I'm posting it for others to see. So, I want to start doing my locks in, like, more styles and stuff like that. Like, because I'm about to take these out because I'm really missing my hair. I always get to that phase where I miss my hair, but then it's like once I take the locks out, they gone. And when they gone, they gone. Whew. And don't get me wrong, I love my hair, but child, it's just thick, and dealing with it, the maintenance of it, that's a video that's gonna be coming, some lock styles. But like I was saying earlier, what I was talking about when I was saying I was releasing, like when I was looking back and I was editing the clips to add them into the vlog, I didn't feel like I was really clear on that releasing part. But as far as just releasing, that's just like crying, like reflecting and just like crying as far as my inner child or just the past, reflecting where I came from and where I'm going. Like, I feel like I've been reflecting on, and it's been a real focal point of where I'm at in my life. And just, I mean, of course, with starting a new calendar year, I mean, it's only right. It makes sense. I want to do like little sessions because I be loving to watch sessions, but I just don't be knowing about doing them on my channel. And then nowadays, how I seen how YouTube and being real strict about it, it's just like, well, I've been hearing in my head, and that's just really what I've been focusing on. If it doesn't challenge you, it won't change you. If it doesn't challenge you, it won't change you. That's just that on that. If it do not challenge you, it will not change you. Like, that's all that's in my head. Fun fact. I was never a big fan of crying. And it's like, I do that a lot, and I feel like I do that a lot just because of the simple fact that I don't like it. And when I say I don't like it, let me be clear. I don't like it, like, as far as, like, I'm the type of person that really make my emotional times goofy. Like, I would literally be crying and like laughing or saying like I'm not crying, I'm not sad, like just really delusional. It's giving Delulu. It's just like being emotional. Like, I just, when it comes to like being emotional, vulnerable, like I just really have a thing with being weird and transparency. So that's like why it's been a big focal thing for me to just really let loose and let go, because it's like, it's kind of like asking, why do you give a fuck that much? Like, you know what I'm saying? Like, you really got to ask yourself that. Why do you care so much about vocalizing how you feel, or vocalizing, just, you know, vocalizing what's off, or just crying? Like, it's nothing wrong with crying. That's a part of releasing. I really learned that throughout my journey. Crying is a part of releasing, and it is okay to cry. And I feel like that's why I cry, because I'm always sitting there trying to suppress something or just keep it down or push it to the sideburns. And it's like, it's no more pushing. It's just time to take it, own up to it, and do what needs to be done. Like, you know what, I just take accountability. And first off, being aware is the first thing. First and foremost, being aware is the first step, and then just taking accountability and taking those actions for the solution. Like, that's just that on that. Awareness, accountability, and the solution. Like, that's what's up. Like, we finding that in the crying, and we finding that in the releasing, we finding that in the problems. Like, there's no need to, you know, keep dwelling. Let's let the dwelling go, Boogie, okay? I probably gonna paint later more than likely. I did want to go ahead and paint, but I might lay down for a second. I've been up since like 4 or 5 o'clock this morning. Like, I've been up real early, you know? And when you wake up those hours, you just gotta pray. I was gonna go back to sleep, but I did get up and get on my phone, sadly. It's like, now I'm gonna get up and do the right thing. I didn't log out of Instagram, logged out of TikTok. All I got is Snapchat and my YouTube. So it's really like, I mean, the watching stuff, you know, like, that's fine. I don't mind the watching stuff, but just the scrolling on my socials and just meaningless scrolling, like, I just want to take that out. It's no need. Let's fast from that. The meaningless scrolling, like, doing things with intention, more intention, being on the phone for intention. Like, you know what I'm saying? That's just what it's giving. Just being on the phone for intention, learning, and, you know, for example, I got YouTube going now in the background. We got the chakra frequencies going. I like to use it for that. So that's what we're going to use it for, such as. So, and I got YouTube plugged up on my TV. Ain't like I got Instagram, TikTok, and shit on my TV. So, yeah. But the only social I am logged in is my Snapchat. But, I mean, I don't really be on Snapchat, so I feel like that'd be easy. But if I want to post, I mean, I can post on Snapchat just, you know, to stay up to date. But I'm going to get back on, but just at least for a little bit. I ain't really putting a date on it, a stamp on it, time frame on it. Just a little fast is good. I think time off is great. It's needed. I'm gonna check back in once I'm like maybe painting or something later on. I'll probably paint tonight. If not, we'll see. We'll just go with the vibe. You'll see in the next clip, honestly. What's up, y'all? This the next day. Clearly, I'm about to go ahead and close out this vlog because I'm about to go ahead and start a new one, but I do want to do an outro for this one. I'm about to get ready to head out and go to like the thrift store and stuff and like start my day. But I know yesterday I was talking about, you know, just what I was bringing into this new Gregorian calendar year or whatever, just what I was working on at the time and just the state of being that I've been in. Plus, do you see the style? Trying, you know, to try a little something different. I need to put my beads back up because that's going to annoy me, but I'm about to get that handled. I go ahead and head out. I do want to show y'all like my little outfit of the day. I'm gonna show that after I'm done. I'm feeling much better, much lighter. I feel like times like that when I am in those feelings is just a reminder me to reflect, or when I'm having those ups and downs, the ebbs and flow of life, because I'm not always just gonna be happy-go-lucky, you know, accepting those moments and really learning from those moments and reflecting. So yeah, and just reassuring myself, like definitely heavy on the reassurance. That's a part of the R's too, really. Actually, I'm not about to close this out right here because I want to show y'all the painting. I'm currently gonna finish that tonight more than likely. I'm gonna show y'all my outfit. So after this, I'm gonna eventually be closing out the vlog, but yeah, just make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Follow me on my socials. My link tree is always in the bio. Yes, this is the top. Get into the hair. The bottom's not really too much. Working with my dingy Uggs. Double belts, my little gold belt and my brown belt. Because I do accessorize with jewelry a lot, so I've been incorporating, like, you know, just more belts, different type of things, and nice little bags. But yeah, that's that. It's OTD.
Silly shit, stand off the internet. Share the stage, Billy Allen. Turn any given time. Personal problems, pillow talking, cause I got rich without it. Only thing they should be saying is, baby, keep it silent. We ain't even deep as you used to be, this shit slick about it. Right, got no hustle or nothing, so he gon' stick about it.
Just copy the flex. They waiting on my new shit to drop. Where the fuck the toilet at? Sleeping on me crazy shit. Y'all thought I wasn't gon' double back. This life shit here amazing. I'm thanking God for where the fuck I'm at. Don't call if it ain't bout the rats. I don't fuck with all that chitter chat.